Hi there, I'm Marie. Today I want to share with you how to crochet this ear warmer using the lovely Trinity Stitch. I recommend using a size 4 yarn and a size 6 ml hook. This pattern looks better with looser stitches. To begin, loop a multiple of odd number of chains. I'm looping 75 chains for a medium-sized muffs. The length should be 18 inches. We'll start row 1. Chain 1. Skip 1 chain. Do a single crochet in the next chain. Next, we'll single crochet 3 together. Insert the hook into the same chain you just completed. Pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next chain and pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next chain and pull up a loop. You have 1, 2, 3, and 4 loops on the hook. Now finish the single crochet 3 together. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Chain 1. Keep this chain loose because we need to come back to it in the following row. The first Trinity stitch is complete. Let's do another one. Insert the hook into the last chain you just completed. Pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next chain and pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next chain and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Chain 1. We have 2 Trinity stitches. Again, single crochet 3 together. Insert the hook into the last chain you just completed. Pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next chain and pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next chain and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Chain 1. Continue repeating the same stitch pattern for the rest of the chains, and I'll meet you at the end of the row. Okay, after completing the last single crochet 3 together, do not chain 1. Instead, do a single crochet in the last stitch we just worked on. This closes out row 1. So you start the row with a single crochet and end the row with a single crochet. Moving on to round 2. Chain 1. Turn the work over and we'll crochet from the opposite direction. Do a single crochet in the first stitch. Next, we'll do a single crochet 3 together. Always start the first Trinity stitch from the previous stitch. Pull up a loop in the next stitch. And pull up a loop in the next stitch. You have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Now chain 1. Again, single crochet 3 together. 1 loop, 2 loops, and 3 loops. Complete the trinity by pulling through all 4 loops. And don't forget to chain 1. By the way, the 3rd loop always ends up in the previous chain 1 between 2 trinities. Continue repeating the same pattern until you complete row 12. I've completed 12 rows. Before you cut the yarn, leave at least 15 inches behind to use for joining the piece together. You can see the lovely stitches in rows and columns. Next, we'll join the piece together. Place a marker in the middle of each end of the piece. First, fold each end of the fabric in the middle. Then, bring the 2 ends together facing each other. Now, slip 1/2 of the piece into the other half, like this. With a yarn needle, sew the ends together with whip stitch. Go through all 4 layers. For stronger seams, you may repeat the whip stitch one more time, working backwards. Slip stitch and fasten off. Turn the ear muff inside out. Look at this lovely twist. The finished piece is 9 inches, which is 18 inches around. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye for now.